What's up guys, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop Siri giving you suggestions for sharing. Now for example, I've picked this picture, or we say photo from the photo lab, and I want to share it. When I tap on that, this icon available here, as you can see guys, now when I tap on it, Siri gives me automatically these two options. Okay, no Siri, I'm not talking to you right now. Okay, now Siri gives me these two contacts, because maybe I have frequently shared items, or we can say photos or something else with them. Now some people find this annoying. Okay, now for example, let's say that someone else is sitting next to me. I tap on this, I want to share with it, Some people do not want others to see, the people that you share with, frequently, okay? Now, for stopping this, okay, all you need to do is you can go to the settings, and here, in the main, we can say page, you can tap on Siri, and scroll down to the very bottom of this page, okay? And then this option says show when sharing. Okay, now tap on that one and toggle it off, turn it off, and that's it. Let's go back to the photos. Okay, let's share, and as you can see, all I got is the apps, and some other options available here, but none of the contacts that I have already shared with this, or we can say that are suggestions by Siri. None of them are appearing here, which is something good sometimes, for some people. Now if it helped, share with your friends, and please consider subscribing to our channel to see more content like this one. See you next time.